Worried about starting your child on guitar because you don't play an instrument yourself? You're not alone. Most parents think, I won't be able to help when they get stuck. Here's the good news. At Kids Guitar Dojo, you don't have to teach music theory or read a single note. Our visual system does the heavy lifting. Your job isn't to be a strict instructor, it's to be the chief cheerleader. For those opening lessons, you only need to check 3 quick setup cues. 1. Sit on an armless chair. Ditch the soft couch or floor as their arms need complete freedom without couch arms blocking their elbows. 2. Rest the guitar on their leg, keeping the neck tilted up so they aren't slouching over. 3. The balanced pick grip. Hold the pick firmly enough so it doesn't drop, but don't squeeze too hard. Then, anchor their pinky right on the guitar body as a kickstand for balance. 4. The golden rule. Always play each song slowly like a turtle first, then try playing along with the backing track. Spotting those 4 things sets them up for instant success before they even hit play. Check out our quick 30-second cheat codes right below this video, or grab our free parent guide today at kidsguitardojo.com.